I'm going to show some more pictures that I take whenever they have it go on. Whenever they have the microwave weapon taken, there's light, adequate light. Here's a little darker area, but it's always showing up in the photos. So they just have this place just generating with weaponry. So if you notice where there is some light, you can't see it. But when it's a little bit darker, you can actually pick up on it. All the way to the floor. Most of it generates from the floor and comes up. It's not as bad in the hallway, but it still generates. See where there's adequate light, it's harder to pick up on it. So it's almost like it's coming through a wall, across, or down and up. This is facing between 304 and 305 and 306. Notice where the highest concentration is right where my unit is, although it still permeates. Lower is the bathroom, but there was a light on, and it just keeps picking up. Here's another semi-light. This is towards the closet area. High and look low. It's just showing what happens to my camera when I take shots and or pictures, and the weapon system's going. So these are just photos and what's picking up on my still photo of my camera when the neighbor weapon system. And if it's low, that means it's coming from ground. My head, my body, just microwaved. Look at that. This was actually taken almost right directly at the light. So the light will cause it not to show. But it's just massive how they're just microwaving another human being. And this is a totally hostile living environment. So here's the latest harassment. They're using the directional speakers. 1910, October 22nd. See how they use the speaker system to project the sound? There's no reason for it to be making that much noise. But the residents who reside here have access to these directional speakers, and they just simply project shit to harass. So instead of sitting here taking it, I'm just going to film it. Now, do you see anywhere on this area right here that anything should be making that much noise in the rain? But maybe. I'm going to go up to the roof area.